By 2019, the Russian aviation industry is due to present a technical design for a high-speed combat helicopter for the Russian Aerospace Forces. The contract for the air vehicle is expected to be signed between the Russian Defense Ministry and the Russian Helicopters Company during the Army 2017 military forum, which kicked off outside Moscow earlier on Wednesday. The new helicopter may be based on the Mi-24 helicopters platform, but incorporate new technology. The new vehicle is expected to fly at a speed of up to 500 kilometers per hour, according to media reports. Speaking at Heli Russia, the country's annual international helicopter industry exhibition. In May 2017, Russian Deputy Defense Minister Yuri Borisov announced the development of a high-speed combat helicopter, which he said is due to make its maiden flight before the end of 2024. Russian Helicopters Press Service did not specify what company will become the lead developer of the project, only noting that several design bureaus and holding companies will be involved. The developments of the Russian companies Kamov and Mil are expected to be widely used. Experts, meanwhile, suggested that the new helicopter will be designed for performing special combat missions. According to him, this new vehicle will take its own unique niche in the Russian Aerospace Forces, without putting other helicopter modifications to the back burner. At the front, a high speed allows a helicopter to quickly move over the battlefield and quickly escape after it accomplishes its mission. It also makes shooting down a helicopter like this a tricky task, and Toshkin said, touting the new speedy attack helicopters as the future of frontline aviation.